Hello, this is my homework. Any sound, the ending easy. The light, cleaned, snowed, closed, filled, stayed, frost, loud, pushed, watched, danced, walked, easy, waited, painted, counted, wanted, painted, departed. Any sound, the ending is S. Cats, snakes, spots, stamps, dogs, bees, animals, things, is, horses, this, surprise, boxes, bosses, this problem, one day, month, Fridays, gets up, goes to the station, waits for train, gets off at the post stop, goes to the office, sits in the office, has lunch, sits in the office, goes to the station, comes home, thinks, one day, Saturdays and Sundays, gets up, late, does the watching, goes shopping, comes home, watches TV, goes out, eats out, comes home, watches TV, thinks, one day, one day, gets up, early, goes to the station, waits for train, doesn't get off at the first stop, doesn't get off at the fifth stop, stays on the train. Where does it go? Watch it through the windows. Thanks for listening.